I run fucking Spider Gang, nigga. Parts told I ain't gonna tell you niggas no more. You want a song or you want to I get them clap for making them statements. I put them hits in rotation, don't do no faking. I'm the head of that nation, drop their location. We gon' pull up skis, pull down, squeeze, pull around, shoot a zip 'em before you hit the ground. These niggas sound like they in the way, see clowns. They'll imitate whatever draw attention. I'm convinced that these niggas play active, stay active. If you know like I know, we bring that smoke through the up close sticks in the stolen Tahoe. They said murder she wrote, me to say fuck the whole road at the clip curve like the letter C. Who won't see me unload at the moment you told it, you blow it, hesitating, you going somewhere you won't return from. Learn young to never come, so fist fights with knives. Back 10, 4-5s on the interstate, bullets penetrate everyone in this ride. I know everyone got their time, I see mine with a clear vision. Die won't be from slipping, who falls to the opposition. Hard equipped that is frozen, decoded to get it open. While Joe's and no women showed me that Weezy and Kelly rolling motivation. That pushed me to someone they haven't seen, that's why this purple heart inside of all that doesn't come with keys. I used to honestly believe that it was me and I was wrong, but fuck that, I still fucking her while I was home. Like she speaking on the past tense, forever wrote in stone. Translation, that's her justification for moving on. I mean, we're both grown, why prolong this situation? Was done and done, so let's put an end to that conversation. Big music for president, hella sticks in my inner matrix. Been amazing the moment my 2 foot lay on the pavement. I'm engraving shell cases with the hop initials. My potential is not the issue, I always outspit you. The label can get your streams and downloads confidential. I'm confident that them record labels ain't confident. You guess who on the million? Our new artist, Brandon Ingram, and New Orleans, a shooter with a shooter. You the new target, go get some protection. Glock, Google West, and those are simple suggestions. Cause when it's up there in the air, I'm headed in your direction. Pipe in possession, Tracy Ellis, this my girlfriend. Color blackish on me, attachments, acro in the spin. Federal with men in the pen, moving military, won't go back again. I die for agents, apprehend to me, elite daddy. Damn, I'm swaggy in this DR jacket. Come sign the music, you'll blow up with the DR rapping. The Rock strong as Undertaker, Goldberg on the package. The Rock, Undertaker, Goldberg, 3 off wrestling. The Black Charles Manson, rich dancing like my first main janitor. Mike or Ida, the minute, I'm the face of the trenches. Induct the 50 in the glizzy while conducting the business. Install formula, I normally don't get definitions. That one was given somewhere in another dimension. The rifle dividing was spinning, I do spider division. No mathematic, automatic, put his face by his tennis, and his image was all he had left. I was there when Youngin took his last breath. That's how it happened when niggas capping. We don't have stepped out 36 ounces off in the trenches. They got half left, we booming them who using our product. We them niggas they mentioned when the body found shot up. I got up and got it. I ain't had to wait on nobody. Luke going Gizzy went to hitting. Show step over Bobby. Who am I to say they wild? And Step was giving us guidance. Shit, we do anything for him. I did the same for him. Rainstorm, soon for him. Dark clouds above. Went to prison and I lost some real niggas I love. Rainstorm, soon for him. Dark clouds above. Went to prison and I lost some real bitches I love. I run that game.
বাধা বলল হাসি মুখে একদিন এক মরু পথে একটি মিষ্টি মেয়ে মুখে তার কালো নেকা বাধা বলল হাসি মুখে ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি তোমাকে একদিন এক মরু পথে একটি মিষ্টি মেয়ে মুখে তার কালো নেকা বাধা বলল হাসি মুখে একদিন এক মরু পথে একটি মিষ্টি মেয়ে মুখে তার কালো নেকা বাধা বলল হাসি মুখে ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি তোমাকে বালি চারদিকে, তারই মাঝে আমি কোথায় বলো খুঁজে পাবো তারে। মরুভূমির যেদিকে তাকাই ধুধু বালি চারদিকে, তারই মাঝে আমি কোথায় বলো খুঁজে পাবো তারে। দেখা কি হবে তার সাথে, ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি তোমাকে। আমায় আজ ডাকে তারি পানে, ছুটে যেতে ইচ্ছে করে আমার দুহাওয়া পাড়ি দিয়ে। মিষ্টি হাসি আমায় আজ ডাকে তারি পানে, ছুটে যেতে ইচ্ছে করে আমার দুহাওয়া পাড়ি দিয়ে। আলো নাকি আলেয়া খুঁজি যারে, ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি তোমাকে। একদিন এক মরু পথে একটি মিষ্টি মেয়ে, মুখে তার কালো নেকাব বাঁধা, বলল হাসি মুখে। একদিন এক মরু পথে একটি মিষ্টি মেয়ে, মুখে তার কালো নেকাব বাঁধা, বলল হাসি মুখে। ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি তোমাকে।